In today's world, people see crows as birds that are harmful to the ecosystem, which has led to crows being victims of different population control schemes. However, studies have been conducted to disprove this theory because when isolated from other types of birds, it was only in very few cases that the population of the birds increased. So, today's story is about crows and how they are the victims of governmental and environmental programs targeting them and trying to abolish these creatures because they are seen as harmful to the environment and other species of birds. For many years, there has been a growing hatred towards these birds when, in reality, they are beneficial to humans because they do such things as eating insects that are harmful to agriculture, not because they're fun to shoot and show off at your uncle's potluck. Now on to Erika, who will provide us with an interview with one of these creatures.
Thank you, Stella. Hello, today I'm here to interview this crow and see what he has to say about all this.
Would you like to explain? Wait, sir, no.
I guess he didn't want to be interviewed. Sorry. Back to you, Stella.
Why, thank you, Erika. That was, interesting. Anyway, now I'm here with two different interviews, one about the anatomy, physiology, and behavior of crows, and one, a different perspective on the physiology and behavior of crows. The first interview is from Bertram of Mississippi.
I'm here with my pet crow, and I'm going to tell you just a bit more about their anatomy. First off, crows, they're just like any other bird. They got a beak, they got wings, they got a tail, they got feet. But you know what? They also got some very specific parts that I'm going to just describe to you using this picture right here. Now, on to the physiology about these birds. We think that birds have such smaller and less complicated brains than ours, but really, crows can memorize tasks and build their own tools, just like humans. Lastly, the behavior of these birds. Now, crows, they'll depend their behavior off of what they see other crows doing. And also, what I think is interesting, they'll go after bigger, more predatory birds than themselves just to protect their young. Now that's amazing.
Now, on to Merletta, who gave us another perspective on the physiology and behavior of crows. Merletta, take it away.
Crows are like extremely smart, and I love crows, but crows are pretty smart, but their brains are like set up differently than like mammals' brains and stuff, which is pretty rad. So I'm here to tell you about like the behavior of crows, and this is an issue that's very close to my heart, very embedded in my soul. But crows are more than just feathers, but they're really smart too, and crows are life, man.
Every day, there are so many crows being killed because they're seen as harmful to the environment, to other species. And not only are they being killed by humans, but people involved with governmental and environmental groups. And only you can help. If people just like you come together and fight against these others killing the crows, we can stop this cruelty. We can end this pain for crows. Members of the Save the Crows Foundation have already started saving injured crows and are protecting others around the world. For only $30, you can purchase our exclusive shirt and hat to not only give money to our foundation, but to also spread the word to others that preserving crows is important to our ecosystem. Oh, don't you just love those unexpected commercial breaks? Well, I think it's about time to go, so I'd like to say thank you to everyone that I've had the chance of interviewing, along with the people who tried to conduct an interview, but it didn't really work out so well. I'll see you next time, and thanks for tuning in. Now that we've run through information about crows and how they are negatively impacted by humans, along with a few interviews along the way, it's time to discuss how you can help preserve these creatures. Some scientists have discovered that anthropomorphism, or the attribution of human characteristics or behavior to something else, has helped reduce the level of casualties of other non-human species in the past, and it could be used to save crows as well. For example, many people fail to realize that crows are not that different from humans because they can memorize tasks and build tools, and apparently share the love of sledding according to a video, just like humans. And if video footage or facts in general regarding the similarities between humans and crows is provided to people around the world, these birds can be preserved. In conclusion, crows are important to the ecosystem because they can help decrease the amount of pests known to destroy important crops, and although they are killed because they are so-called threats to other birds, they should be preserved because of their intelligence, benefits to the ecosystem, and their resemblance to humans.